You are invited to the Millennium Charter High School Open House. MCHS, a model high school with small class sizes, is developing the arts, media, and entertainment professionals of the future. It's free to attend and space is available.
For my future, I want to be an audio engineer, and that's why I choose Millennium.
Communications is important for my future political career. That's why I choose Millennium.
For my future, I want to become a video game designer. That's why I choose Millennium.
I love working with the visual arts. That's why I choose Millennium Charter High School.
For my future, I'm focused on media production, so I choose Millennium.
Photography is my focus, so that's why I choose Millennium Charter High School.
I look forward to seeing my artwork in a museum one day. That's why I choose Millennium Charter High School.
Nonprofit public relations is my goal, and I choose Millennium Charter High School.
I want to tell the local story of agriculture through film, so that's why I choose Millennium Charter High School.
Wednesday, January 17th at MCAET TV from 6:30 to 8 p.m. at the Monterey County Office of Education, 901 Blanco Circle, Salinas. We'll see you there.